We're going to do something called Energy EFT, and you put your hands on your heart chakra to start with. And we're going to be incorporating some breaths. So basically do what I do and say what I say in the usual way. But I'm also going to incorporate some wording, which I learned from a wonderful teacher, Sue Stone. You may have heard of her. She was on the UK version of The Secret Millionaire some years ago, and she's written a few books. And she loves starting her affirmations with every day, in every way, in every moment, I am ... And I can't remember, one of you also mentioned the importance of the I am statement. I think it was Steve. And that is so important, the I am statement. So let's start with that. And we'll start with on the heart chakra, and just repeat after me. So every day, in every way, in every moment, I am open to the possibility of inviting in even more trust, faith, space, time, belief, confidence, love, playfulness, unattachment, patience, acceptance of what is, flowing, allowing, safety, and knowing that the universe has my back. And take 3 deep breaths. I'm tapping through the points. Every day, in every way, in every moment, I am inviting in even more of these qualities, even more trust, and take a deep breath. Collarbone, trust in self, and take a deep breath. Under the arm, trust in life, and take a deep breath. Trust in spirit, and take a deep breath. And on the eyebrow, faith, and take a deep breath. Self-belief, and take a deep breath. Belief in my vision, and take a deep breath. And under the nose, confidence, and take a deep breath. Love, and take a deep breath. Playfulness, and take a deep breath. acceptance, and take a deep breath. So we're going to come to the thumb point and allowing what is, and take a deep breath. And moving on to the finger point, feeling even safer, and take a deep breath. And on the middle finger, support from the ancestors, and take a deep breath. Support from the universe, and take a deep breath. Unattachment, and take a deep breath. And side of the hand, patience, and take a deep breath. Top of the head, even more courage, and take a deep breath. Eyebrow, being surrounded by supportive people, and take a deep breath. Creating the positive habit of tapping every day, and take a deep breath. And under the eye, detachment from outcome, and take a deep breath. And under the nose, self-confidence, and take a deep breath. And on the chin, commitment to myself, and take a deep breath. And on the collarbone, the universe has my back, and take a deep breath. And under the arm, magic and miracles, and take a deep breath. Put your hands on the center of your chest, your heart chakra again. Just say the word transform and take a deep breath.